thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to unbox and review Taparia toolbox with organizer PTB 16. This is one of the best home toolbox available online. Exact same toolbox is available in 4 different sizes. They are 13 inches, 16 inches, 19 inches and 22 inches. You can get the sizes per your requirement. This toolbox with organizer is sturdy and long-lasting. This is the best organizer for tools. Moreover, it comes with metal rod hinges, so that it can carry more load easily.
You can see that I am measuring the size of this box. You can easily decide whether it can be useful for you or not.
You can easily keep the small objects and fasteners in the organizer sections available on the top. Its build quality makes it lightweight. Also, it is capable of holding heavy loads. A separate tray comes inside the toolbox. It keeps apart the special tools from others. This plastic toolbox comes with an amazing sturdy design. It has latch type lock that locks up the box firmly. You don't have to worry about the tools falling down when you carry it along with you.
Do not forget to explore this product on Amazon and Flipkart. Links to this exact product is available in description.
The handles of the toolbox have been designed to carry heavy loads. It creates lesser stress on your wrist and arms.
Now, let's place some heavy tools in the toolbox. Some special tools can be placed on the tray available at the top. You can keep small screws, nuts, bolts, etc. in the organizer section.
Do not forget to explore this product on Amazon and Flipkart. Links to this exact product is available in description.